cluster rendering compared to render on the local computer. For this setup we had a 96 frames, HD, full global illumination, 512 samples. Rendering on one PC with anti-aliasing, ray tracing. We could now compare with rendering on 31 PCs. The speed difference is quite big. Let's speed up things a little bit. First of all, local rendering, quite slow. Let's use 69 PCs. Interesting enough, it goes slower. Probably because of an overhead for each sending and receiving of the parts of the images. One PC, 9 hours, 13 minutes. 31 PCs, 18 minutes, 49 seconds. Really easy setup.